I have to say there is no better way to start the day than on the beach with some birds. What a beautiful beach it is. What I'm hoping for is because I had to use a slower shutter, I'm hoping that the motion of the waves comes through and these birds stay really still. So I was able to shoot at like 1/125th of a second, and the waves of course are faster than that, so they'll have some motion blur in it and we'll have a sharp bird. So that's what the aim is today anyway. Such a good shot. I don't know if you can see it there, but you'll notice I've exposed to the right, so there's blinkies showing, but the blinkies aren't on the actual bird. So that means I can push my ISO to 2500 in this light and I don't have to worry about the noise. Because as we know, noise shows up in darker images than it does lighter ones. Here's another one that I like. It's got the bird and the motion of the waves in the background, like I was hoping to get. Now you'll see the blinkies are on the ocean, which I'm not worried about because that's not my main subject. But as long as there's none on the bird, then I'm happy. Okay, so time to move I think, because I haven't had a different composition for a while and I don't think these birds are going to come walking past me anytime soon. Oh, here's one, it's on the move, maybe? Oh my goodness. Look at this one, guys. Such a good morning. So we have an overcast sky here today, which means that I get a lot more of that soft light, which is great. Normally at the moment the sun would have already risen and there'd be too much sunlight on the bird's feathers, and I don't know, I just like that soft light better. I've had to push my ISO up to 2500, but I'm not too worried about that because I'm exposing to the right to make the image brighter without having the highlights in the bird's body, which hopefully means I don't have to deal with very much noise. These birds are so funny, they're hiding their beaks like it's cold, and yet this is like middle of summer in Australia at the moment. I'm sweating. The sun's coming up through the cloud now, so our good soft lighting is going to be gone soon. Okay, another one. Again, you'll see the blinkies. They're on the ocean, but not the actual bird. So again, this means I can keep the ISO pretty high and not worry about the noise because the image is a lot brighter. Now they're up the other side of the beach, so it's time to move again.